Hey, it's Ashley here from Elemental Growth, and I'm just walking through the forest today. I love that no matter where it is that I'm living, like this is the most city that I've ever lived. I usually choose places more country, but still any city, I always seem to live by a naturally preserved area or water source or something. It just sometimes it's happened even like unconsciously. Like this one was not really planned, but I feel really blessed for the actual spot that I'm in, because like you can really not even really see that trail. It's like just a little bit of dirt, a lot of green, and I love it. So the reason why I'm coming on to this video today is because there is so much wild food here, you guys, and medicine. So like first thing I want to show you is this is plantain. It's really good. I make a pretty plantain oil out of it, but it also actually works for like even poison ivy type remedy if you're in one of those areas. Being here in the country or in the city, they usually keep that pretty under control. Another one that we have here is nettle that you can see there. And so nettle is really a superfood. Once you get off those the needles, it can actually like they will make you itchy, and you probably won't like that very much. But once you get past that, it can actually help with allergies. It helps balance your gut. It also is really like powerhouse for nutrition. So you can cook it like you would spinach. You can add it to your smoothies. I add it to some beauty products that I do. But there's a lot. Oh, look at the beautiful bee. The bee is landing on burdock. So burdock has, these ones are, and burdock has tons of benefits to you guys. In the fall, what you'll do with the burdock, I'm just gonna walk here and I'll finish talking, try to make this short. There's a lot of bees there. Not that okay, so the burdock, in the fall, what we'll do is pull up some of the roots of that, and it can be used in so many ways too. It can be used for the skin, internally and externally. One of the really good ones that it's known for is excema. There is also like really good properties when it comes to detoxing the liver and gallbladder. What else is it really good for? It's actually in like I think anti-cancer treatments, or you can check it out, like studies on PubMed with burdock, because I can't remember exactly, but there was something about cancer that they actually were doing research in, and also as a vaccine too for certain things. So there are tons of benefits of that one, and we see it really common. So I really encourage you guys, just go out. Let me know some places that you like going that are in nature, no matter where you are in the world. Maybe send me some pictures and hashtag elemental growth, or you can tag me at I am elemental growth. What else? All right, you guys, that's it for now. If I think of anything else, I guess I'll make another video. Love you guys.